The note-taking tool that I've decided to use is OneNote, just because I have a Microsoft computer and Microsoft things are easier for me to use. It's easier for me to use this. And as you can see on the screen here, this is my OneNote page. I have 4 notebooks currently: Indiana history, basketball, church, and family. So as you can see in this family notebook, I just have one note so far, just important dates of things that are happening with my family. Church, this is where I keep I can keep sermons and lessons. I keep notes in here. So there's another, just one sermon from last week. Then basketball, I coach basketball at a local middle school, so I have 2 notes from here, just about our practice schedule times, and then a to-do list for me to do as coach coming up. And then Indiana history is my theme, and I also have 2 notes here. One about the first governor of Indiana, Jonathan Jennings, and then one small note about Eli Lilly and his history. And then the clipped webpage that I have is an Eli Lilly biography that I found online. And as you can see here, I've gone through and highlighted multiple things in this biography. And on the right here, you see the notes with the little numbers. And I've given a note for things that I think are important in this webpage. So this is my screencast over my note-taking device and technology.